Okay, this video is a result of a conversation I had online with a lady who is frightened of visiting the dentist. Now, she's been frightened of visiting the dentist for many years, and as a result of that she's got some quite serious dental problems that need to get sorted out, which involves surgery. So what I said I would do was put together a video to help her overcome her fear of dentists, and as a result of that I'm making this video. I'm making it available to anyone who's got a fear of dentists, and hopefully this meditation, visualization exercise will help you to be calmer and to get over your fear a little bit. You might have to watch it a couple of times, and you might have to practice the exercise a couple of times, 3 or 4 times maybe, but as a result of the breathing exercise I'm going to give you, you will be calmer and you will be more focused and more aware of the positive effects of visiting the dentist. So here we go. Just sit quietly in a straight back chair with your palms face down on your thighs, on the top of your legs, and your feet on the floor. Now what I'd like you to do is just focus on your breathing and just count your in-breath and your out-breath. So count 1 on the in-breath, and then breathe out and count 1 again. So you're breathing 1 in, 1 out, then 2 in, 2 out. Keep counting your breath, just focusing on your breath. And what I'd like you to do is just visualize yourself in a room full of flowers. So your favourite flower, whatever your favourite flower is, whatever colour it is fine. Your mind will give you a flower and a colour. Or you can be a meadow full of flowers. They can be small flowers, they can be large flowers, they can be bright, or they can be kind of dull but natural kind of colours. Or they can be vibrant and very in your face kind of colours. Whatever your mind gives you is fine. The idea is that your mind will do the work for you. Or you can specify what type of flower you'd like to visualise. So just say the name of the flower in your mind, and then the picture will emerge, or a feeling of being surrounded by that type of flower. If you're not visual, don't worry about it. The feeling is enough to work for this exercise. Now you're still counting your breath. Just straighten your posture up a little bit. If you've stooped forward, just get your back straight but comfortable in the chair. And I'd like to picture yourself with healthy teeth. Just imagine that you're breathing in white light, and you're building up a ball of white light around your neck and shoulders, and around your jawline, and around your mouth and your nose. So you're breathing in a pool of white light. This is healing light. And that light spreads around the top of your head now, and it spreads down to your arms. Breathe it in and just imagine that it's circulating through your circulation system, your blood system. It's going into your lungs and then through your lungs into your circulation. And just feel the light, just embrace the light with your whole body. This is healing, and it's confidence. It's the confidence to say what you feel. And it's the confidence to make a choice, make a decision to go and see the dentist, even though you might be a little bit frightened. If there's a lot of fear there, then we'll take a moment in a second or two to address that. If there's a small amount of fear there, then this white light will clear it. So just, if you can, rate the amount of fear that you've got of a dentist on a scale of 1 to 10. And if it's above 5, then we'll address it later on in the video. If it's below 5, then this white light will clear a large proportion of it. Just feel the white light in your stomach and just moving around your rib cage and your stomach area. And take some time to breathe from your belly. Breathe deeply and just notice how you feel when you're breathing deeply. And that kind of calmness in your mind is where you're aiming